Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Walmart Beauty Box. This is the Spring 2023 box. This is kind of exciting because if you haven't subscribed to this and you don't know the drama, it comes quarterly and I think the price now is $6.98. They made a mistake in billing. Instead of charging $6.98, they charged everyone's credit card like $700 because it's like $701 or something with tax. And of course they immediately noticed it. Technically, it still went through on my card and then the credit got taken off. So because of that, they gave me this box free. I want to say the next one too, I can't remember. And they sent me a $100 gift card to Walmart. I don't even go to Walmart, but you bet the second I got that email, I was like, we going to Walmart. So that was really cool that they did that because they messed up. But I'm sure that may have messed people up if it was like their debit card and, you know, somehow overdrafted them. That could be a really big issue, so that's probably why they sent out the gift card. But here are the options of what you can get in this box. Everyone's box is a little bit different based on your profile. I believe I get the trendsetter box. So let's take a look. And it does tell you full-size prices on here. So the first thing I'm pulling out, because I just saw it on here, this retails for $7.97. They are Kiss Gel Nails. That's a really pretty color. It's a nice nude shade. I don't ever do like press on or fake nails, but these are adorable. I like how they're shaped. Then I have It's Sunny Honey by Juicy Couture. Rock the Rainbow. Let's take a whiff. My mom loves juicy fragrances, so I might give this to her. Yeah, that's pretty nice. And then we have some dry shampoo. I haven't used dry shampoo in ages. I think I recently read something about how it's bad for you, like breathing that stuff in, so I'm kind of glad I quit using it. But I do have that as a travel size. I also have CeraVe. This is a hydrating cream to foam cleanser for normal to dry skin. Removes makeup. We travel a lot, so I appreciate these small sizes, but then in the box you also get full-size products too. Sometimes you get like a razor, mascara, stuff like that. Also have another cleanser. This is Neutrogena Hydro Boost with hyaluronic acid. It's a hydrating cleansing gel and it's fragrance-free. Next we have Marc Anthony. This is a Repair and Protect Leave-In Treatment for all hair types. Nice. I stopped using leave-in treatment too, or like heat protectant, because I don't straighten my hair that often. I used to be really big on heat protectant spray and I ran out of it, so I haven't been using it. So I will start using it now that I have that. Then I have a sample size of CoverGirl Color Correcting Serum Moisturizer Primer. Ooh, look at that. So this one's for fair skin tones, and we have light skin tones, medium, and deep. Pretty cool. Is there a coupon with that? Nope. Sometimes there's coupons with the products. But yeah, for like $7, pretty good box. It only comes 4 times a year. There's normally at least one item in there that's full size that kind of pays for the box. And perhaps if you're lucky, they accidentally charge you $700 and they fix it and you get a $100 gift card. I'm still amazed by that. But here is the other options of stuff you could have gotten. Looks like there was some false lashes, there was some facial toner, shave cream, some more different types of body spray, mascara, all sorts of stuff. So if you would like to sign up, I will put all their information below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.